Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this key fob. This is out of a Infiniti. And here's what you need. You need a 2032 battery. And you just need one of them. You get these on Amazon, they're really inexpensive. And there's a link below in the description, I'll take you straight there. And then you also just need a normal, regular sized flat tip screwdriver. Okay, so first you want to, this one doesn't actually have the key, but you don't have to take it out, you can leave it in there. This side right here, right above the key, there's a little notch. If you just push and twist, you can separate the two. At this point, you can take out your battery, and you can see right there it says 2032, and you want to make sure you put the plus side down. So install your new battery like so, push these together, and you can test it at this point. Make sure your red light's lighting up. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.